Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rodeway Inn Groton. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Guests can enjoy a good night's sleep at the Rodeway Inn in Groton, CT, conveniently located off Interstate 95. All the spacious guest rooms include cable TV, as well as a table and chairs. Guest laundry facilities are available, as well as free wireless high-speed internet access and free coffee. Groton, situated on the Thames River in New London County, is home to a variety of beaches, golf courses and attractions, such as the Submarine Force Library and Museum, the Mystic Seaport, Mystic Aquarium, Waterford Speed Bowl, Fort Griswold Battlefield and Old Mystic Village. The New London Garde Arts Centre, Crystal Mall, Great Brook Golf Centre, Mohegan Sun Casino and Custom House Maritime Museum are all in the surrounding area. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.